IELTS speaking tips. Same question, different band scores. What do you usually do when you are on holiday? Band 5. Answer.
When I am on holiday, I usually relax at home or visit some places. I like sleeping more and watching movies. Sometimes I travel with my family and eat outside.
Why is this a Band 5? Fluency and coherence. Basic ideas, limited development. Lexical resource, very simple, repetitive vocabulary. Grammar, mostly correct, but basic sentence forms. Pronunciation, generally clear, but flat and hesitant. Typical of Band 5. Understandable, but safe and forgettable. Band 7.5 Answer.
When I'm on holiday, I usually try to slow down and recharge. I enjoy traveling to new places, trying local food, and spending time outdoors. If I stay at home, I'll catch up on books or series one don't normally have time for.
Why is this a Band 7.5? Fluency and coherence. Smooth with logical expansion. Lexical resource, good range, recharge, catch up. Grammar, mostly accurate with some complex structures. Pronunciation, clear and natural. Typical of Band 7.5, comfortable, natural, and well-developed. Band 9 Answer.
On holiday, I'm quite intentional with my time. I like balancing exploration with rest, so I'll travel, immerse myself in local culture, and sample regional cuisine, but I'll also set aside time to unwind. For me, a good holiday leaves me both refreshed and inspired.
Why is this a Band 9? Fluency and coherence, effortless and well-structured. Lexical resource, precise, idiomatic, and flexible. Grammar, wide range, used accurately and naturally. Pronunciation, fully natural and engaging. Typical of Band 9. Sounds like a thoughtful human, not a test candidate. Now it's your turn. How would you answer this question? Drop your answer in the comments, and I'll let you know if it sounds more like Band 5, 7, or 9. And don't forget to subscribe for more IELTS speaking hacks. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.